Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alert, never get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call, full of value, full of gems, change your whole perspective on the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, get the guys, dive right into it, see what's going on with this market. Excuse me. As we knew, today would be tricky. Whenever, inflation data to be reported, you can either sit on the sidelines, or if you do take a chance in the market, you want to be very meticulous as possible and aim small, miss small, which you should be already doing that anyway, but definitely on the day when data to be reported, or, the feds come out and speak, different little key moments in the market to where they come in and put their dictation on the overall market, because they know things like that is going to, change the whole algorithm, the whole psychology, everything of the market. You just switch it up. Regardless of good data come out like it did, it was better than expected. Consumer price index data was better than expected. It has cooled down a bit, and you would expect the market to blow up and continue to blow up like it started off this morning. But as we know now, and they come out with articles this morning like, they don't even know what's going on. They say stocks rally after inflation data. Stock news today. Stocks is rising as inflation cools. So it should keep rising. Sound like everything's in a great motion, right? Everything's good. But as we know, that's why I say you have to be very meticulous on these days. Because then they come out 9 minutes later, oh, the stock's giving up earlier gains, this, that, and the third, another excuse. So as we see, guys, the morning articles was U.S. stocks rally Wednesday after inflation data showed that consumer price gains cooled in March. At the open, S&P 500 added 0.6%, while the Dow Jones added 0.5%, and the NASDAQ jumped 0.8%. So as we know, guys, March CPI showed price gains cooled last month and the slowest rise since May 2021. The consumer price index rose 0.1% in March, a slower pace than the 0.4% gain in February. So if we go and take a further look, after rising a bit this morning, and we already told you guys in yesterday's video that today, usually on days like this, is just going to be both. It's going to be both. It's going to be bullish and bearish all in the same day, just to mess up people's psychological points and what they expect the market to be doing after it come out of that standstill. So stocks give up earlier gains, turn negative as inflation concerns linger. Now the inflation concerns is lingering now, huh? Because the economy is still iffed up. I don't know. Like I told you guys, things is about to get worse. The only reason they're going to come out with this good news now and stuff like that is to pump this market up some 30, maybe even 40%, just to drop it back down over 50%, guys. So you already know that's what I believe is going to happen. Like I say, they already got the market hammered down. Certain individual stocks at its lowest point was down over 80, 90%. So it ain't much more they can knock it down. So they're going to have to run the market up severely before knocking it right back down. That's exactly what's going to happen. So stocks fell Wednesday, giving the earlier gains as worries over U.S. inflation steady linger around even after the release of cooler than expected data. So inflation is still lingering around even after the release of cooler than expected data. So that's how you ain't even read that. I didn't know that before what I just said. That's how you know exactly what I just said is they plan and what they're going to do. Even though we just got the data that inflation has cooled down, they already anticipating and scared that they know, even though it cooled down right now, in the future, the next few months, it ain't going to have the same data to be reported. So you already know. But anyways, the March consumer price index came in cooler than expected. We already had read that. If we go ahead and take a look at some individual stocks, we got out of Bed Bath & Beyond, guys, this morning at 30 cents, and it dropped to 29. Like we always know, we got to save ourselves. Some small losses. I had a stack of $1,000 in Bed Bath & Beyond, sold for a $100 loss. Great loss. Pat myself on the back. Even, some people, they look at that as, man, loss is a loss, man. I ain't want to lose. That's how they start crying. Man, if you ain't okay to lose $50, $100, $20, $75 in order to win $1,000, $500, $2,000, then this just ain't for you. Go somewhere else. So my thing is keeping losses very small and being happy and celebrating those small losses. Because I knew back in the day, with the old me, with the beginner me, I would have sat there and lost $1,000, the whole $1,000, like a jackass. So I'm trying to save you from doing that, save you from being that person, and you already know. But anyways, we got up out of that. Then we got in Coinbase. Coinbase dipped. It got support at $68. That's where it was a good buy-in point. I alerted it. Now it's at 66. I'm down over 40% on that. Well, 50% now in that position. I'm looking for it to go back up. Coinbase, even if it was to come all the way down to $60, I hope I wouldn't mind for it to go ahead and do it today. Come down to 63, 64. Because if it come down to the low 60s, I know a hard bounce or reversal is going to happen. And if it don't come down to that level and stay right here at 66, 67, I believe a reversal is going to happen from here as well. So you already know in Bitcoin, as long as it hover and stay up around $30,000, I do believe that Coinbase position could get back before Friday, guys. We have the rest of the remainder of the day to see a nice pop in our direction. And then going into tomorrow, we need to see the market go into a favorable direction. And we could possibly see getting out of that position with a profit. And we also alerted Riot and VIP as well. If we take a look at AMC, it's sitting at $5.55, up over 2.2%. Had a little takeoff, hitting 570-ish this morning, just to come back down, hold support right around this area. AMC is holding up exceedingly well after pushing up the way it did on last week. Over 24, almost 30%. It's holding its gains pretty well. But as we know, this thing loves to go and give back, go and give back. That's why I'm on the sidelines as of now, waiting for a decent opportunity to get back in after I see a significant pullback, a nice little pullback, or if it break a significant key level, guys. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.